Greetings sports fans, welcome back to Eddie Vision, the channel where we look at sports differently. Now, some good news coming out of England. Our very own reggae boy Tyler Roberts signs new Wolves deal. So promising Wolves winger Tyler Roberts has signed a new deal with the club until 2025. The 19-year-old has been with Wolves for nearly 12 years and signed a professional deal in November 2021 before moving up to the under-21s. Roberts has also made his senior debut for Jamaica national team recently. Academy manager for football John Hunter Barrett said, "We're really excited to see Tyler sign his extension with Wolves. He's an exciting player who gets people off their seats, so he's certainly one we wanted to ensure has a future at Wolves. He brings energy, enthusiasm and drive to the football, which is what excites everyone about him. People go to his pace and technique, but Tyler also has an excellent mentality to want to learn and want to improve. He's very coachable and he wants to take information. He's one that we had to compete for at under 8s to actually sign him for the football club. I've been fortunate enough to remember those days and the staff who were overseeing that program at the time did an excellent job to get him to sign. It shows the importance of our pre-academy and actually making sure we get it right at those age groups. As we've seen now with Tyler coming through the program and spending so long here, you see the rewards at the end. Making his international debut was not only a proud moment for his family and friends, but also Wolves as a football club. So congratulations goes out to young Tyler Roberts, sealing up his new deal in a contract extension to 2025. We hope that he will grow into this Wolves team and be able to make the first team as soon as possible. Now moving on to the man that is hotting up League One for Peterborough, Johnson Clark Harris, top striker in League One. Would you like to see him represent Jamaica again? Well, his documents have been processed and he should be available for selection for the Reggae Boyz. Let's take a look at his stats for the 22-23 season. So far in League One, he made 44 appearances, scoring 25 goals, registering 4 assists, picking up 1 yellow card. As you can see here, he starts 98% of the time and averaging 97% of the minutes. So he's pretty much playing all the games and all the minutes. His goal participation, 40%. So out of all of the goals that Peterborough has scored, his contribution is 40%. So almost half. In terms of what he's doing in all competitions, FL Trophy, 3 games, 2 goals, FA Cup, 2 games, 1 assist, and he played in the EFL Cup once while not registering a goal or an assist. So 50 games, 27 goals, 5 assists across all competitions. So there you have it. What do you guys think about this? Johnson Clark Harris, 25 goals in League One in England. Should we definitely be grabbing up this player? A player that has scored 25 goals and counting. Should he be in Coach Al Grimson's plans for the Gold Cup? Drop those comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think about that. Let me also know what you guys think about Tyler Roberts extending his contract at Wolves. I'm Eddie Gona. Thanks for watching. Always remember, like, share and subscribe.
I don't know, this is Jeremy Lynch, Jamaican international, straight out of Vietnam from Binding FC. And you're watching Eddie Vision. Please like, click, subscribe, share, and tell a friend. Out.